Hi, my name is Joe Boorady, and I'm proud to be the president and CEO of Euclid Systems based in Sterling, Virginia. Euclid is a 25-year-old company with a long history of providing best-in-class ortho-K lenses and myopia management solutions to providers and patients around the world. I joined Euclid just 1 year ago to partner with all of you in driving the standard of care in myopia management. Over the past year at Euclid, we've focused on innovation of the Emerald ortho-K line. We've invested millions into Euclid to advance clinical studies and doubling the size of our manufacturing facility in Virginia to keep up with the explosive growth we're experiencing around the world. You can expect to see many new product launches in the coming months and years. And in addition, we've made a commitment to bring a broader range of products and technologies to the market in myopia management in the very near future. We're excited to continue to sponsor the GSLS as part of our commitment to global education on myopia management, because strong education is the key to unlocking the best outcomes for our patients. I'll now hand it over to David Bland, the Vice President of Sales for Euclid, to share more exciting information about our great products and promotions that we hope you'll take advantage of today. David?
Thanks for the handoff, Joe. Much appreciated. Thanks for the great introduction into our organization and what we're all about, too. Hi, everybody. My name's David Bland, and I'm the Vice President of Sales for Euclid Systems Corporations, and I'm responsible for the U.S. marketplace as well as the rest of world markets outside of Asia. I'm going to spend the next few minutes talking to you about our products, our resources, as well as our promotions for this year's trade show. But before I get into that, I think it's important to give a little bit of the backstory on Euclid, because the backstory really helps understand why the products that we offer today are so successful and so widely used. So Euclid received their FDA approval in the US in 2004. And at the time, ortho-K was primarily used as a non-surgical alternative to LASIK. And Euclid could see at the time that myopia was an epidemic in China and in the Asian markets. And so rather than continue to invest aggressively in the US, they invested in China. And in 2007, we actually became the first US company to get an ortho-K approval in China. And we've been there ever since. And in fact, we have got almost 2 million eyes wearing Euclid lenses now. And we're the #1 imported brand, ortho-K brand, into China. And most of the patients are children. And that the significance in that is, as today in the US and around the world, is myopia management becomes such an important topic and area of eye care. When you look at the primary patient, it's children. So what makes the Euclid Emerald design so successful? There's a number of factors. First and foremost, we employ a very innovative empirical-based fitting system. There is no trial set necessary, no upfront investment, and no inventory to manage, no lenses to clean. And in today's world where COVID has become has created such an impact on your practices, that's really nice to know that you don't have lenses and inventory to maintain and keep clean. We employ what we call a 3-factor fitting method. We need 3 measurements. We need the RX, or the refraction, the central Ks, and the HVID. And our algorithms do the rest. And every lens is specifically manufactured for that patient's eye based on that patient's measurements. No, it's not where you pull a lens from an inventory or a set and try to get as close a match as you can get. Every lens is specifically manufactured for that patient. And as a result, we get an 87% first fit success rate. And in the occasional instance where you need an exchange, with one exchange, the success rate jumps to 95.5%. So it's a very efficient, highly effective design. And in addition to the system and the design, in an effort to help you continue to improve your patient outcomes, we have a number of other elements to help you feel secure in working with Euclid and Euclid Emerald. And first, We have a full-time consulting staff of 7 people. Great, great team, very experienced. I highly recommend take advantage of them whenever you can. In addition to that, we have an outstanding warranty. 2 exchanges at no charge for 90 days. And in the event that you're unable to achieve a successful outcome, we also have a cancellation opportunity. Um, and and then in addition to that, we have beyond just the Euclid Emerald, we have the Euclid Emerald Tour. So when you have elevation differences and you need to improve the fit or the centration, the Tour can be a great option. Now, having mentioned the consultation team and the warranty policies, I do want to make sure that it's clear that those are U.S. policies. We do sell products in other markets outside the U.S. and we work through local distributors. So for pricing and policies and that sort of thing, we encourage you to reach out to the respective distributor in your market. And at the end of this presentation, we will have a slide on the screen that will show you all of our distributors around the world, the markets that they represent, and the contact information for those respective distributors. So all this together makes the Euclid Emerald design a very easy design to implement into any practice, whether you're just getting started with Ortho-K or you're very experienced high volume Ortho-K practice. And as we've taken all of these learnings from the design and invested more heavily in the last 2 years in the US, as more and more practitioners have become aware of Euclid and started using it, it has become one of the, if not the fastest growing Ortho-K designs in the US marketplace. And Joe said in his introduction how committed to innovation we are, and that is very true. And I wanted to let you know that this year we will be introducing 2 new products, and these 2 new products should really help you elevate your myopia management practice, particularly with Ortho-K. So look for more information from us on these in the coming months. So when you're thinking of Euclid, don't think of us as just an Ortho-K manufacturer, a lens manufacturer. While we make an excellent product and we have an outstanding and efficient system, think of us as a complete partner for your practice. We have a whole portfolio of practice building resources to help you either launch your myopia management practice with Ortho-K or accelerate it. Tools like video, in-office videos, patient brochures, to help you talk to mom and dad and get those conversations started about myopia management. And as I said, I would talk about the booth promotions. We do have 3 promotions running at the show this year. These are specific to the US market, but we have 2 lens bank opportunities. We have a $1,000 lens bank for $900, and we have a $2,000 lens bank for $1,750. And those lens banks are good toward any Ortho-K product that we manufacture, and they're fully warranted lens banks. And in addition, if you haven't used Euclid Emerald and you want to start using Euclid Emerald, we have a new account opportunity. Just certify and open a new account, and your first fit's on us, along with a spare pair for that patient. And then, of course, you can always take advantage of one of the lens bank offers in addition to that, if you would like. And I'll close by saying, if you haven't used Euclid Emerald, please consider it. And all you have to do is take the recertification test. Go to www.getemeraldcertified.com. The test will take you about 45 minutes. It's very straightforward. Once you complete that test, you'll hear from either one of our sales reps if you're in the US or our customer service department. They'll reach out to you, you'll get a certificate, and then they will help you set up your new account. And also consider our website as an absolute great resource for more information. And that's www.euclidsys.com. And it has tremendous information, not only about our products, but about the market and statistics that you can talk to mom and dad about when you're having those conversations about myopia management. And again, if you're outside the US, reach out to one of our distributors. And as I close this presentation, we're going to put up a slide that shows all the distributors in their respective markets and their contact information. Thank you once again for joining our presentation. Hope you have a great show, and we'll talk to you soon.